back to my channel, and if you are new, I hope you enjoy this video enough to make you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out for any future videos to come. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I am moving out at the end of the month of, well, actually we're moving out the first week of July, and we're already in the middle of June. Today I am gonna get the kitchen area sort of. I went through the spices cabinet and all the stuff that goes in the cabinets. I went through it the other day, but because we're still here to the end of the month, there's no reason to pack that up, so we're gonna try to use that. But I did go through that, and so I guess one of my tips is to go through your spice cabinet, to go through all your drawers that are in your kitchen, and go through each item one by one so you can check, because more than likely you have more than one item that is expired. I threw away some stuff from like 2017, 2018. It was embarrassing, but I don't even know how they stick around, because I think the last time we went through it was in this beginning of spring and not winter. So I don't know how some of the things still went through and missed. If you guys want to watch this whole organizing or packing and decluttering my kitchen, stick around, and I hope you guys subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you guys want to see more of my moving out videos, then check out my videos up here, probably over here, right, where I'll be linking up some videos from packing up my books, decluttering my closet, and decluttering my restroom, so you guys don't miss out on that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Yeah, bye. It's things like this that I don't like to keep, but he likes to keep anything that has some sort of logo of some place.
Just let it go.
But you like it for your lettuce, so I guess. Can't go. They don't even have a lid to it. See, we don't even have a lid still. So, bye bye. Then, papa. There. There. This one. Oh my god, look at this. You can't even see anything. Ugh. So the thing's like, he needs to be trashed. He doesn't even use this. We always fight over this freaking cup. There's always a fight. We always end up getting into a fight because every time we try to go through this whole decluttering, every season, we end up getting into an argument about this cup that you can't even see absolutely nothing. And he can't let go of it.
Does it bring happiness? It does bring happiness.
You don't even use it. You don't even touch it for it to bring happiness. You don't use it. Don't lie. What?
I don't use it enough.
No, you don't use it at all. You don't use it enough. You don't use it at all.
It's really good for those.
So this for sure, these are just containers that come, we end up keeping whenever we take food to go. This little compartment, so not good. I don't know why my husband has this habit of buying gadgets, kitchen gadgets, and it's basically a food processor, but in order to use it, you have to be like if you're gonna mow the lawn, it's really tiring when you're trying to like crush stuff. It's just not practical, not good. It was only $5 at Walmart, I think, but still not good. This, I think, is from the dollar store, but we never really use it. So I guess it's gonna go bye-bye. I've had it for years and I haven't used it. And I kept it thinking that I would use it and maybe to put like lunch for Ethan in here, but I don't know. What do you think about this?
I've never seen you use it. Maybe once, and that's about it.
But do you think maybe now we'll use it to put like snacks in it? You know what? I'm gonna keep it only because
you keep it just because you let me keep the cups. So that's fine.
Only because they need to put like some snacks, fresh snacks for Ethan whenever we're go to the park and stuff. We already take stuff, but if we don't use it by the end of the summer, then it's gonna be going bye-bye. Alright, so this is what we have left from one of the cabinets on the top, which is our like cups and glasses. This is usually what we use. I guess you can tell that we usually just use mason jars. But that's usually what we use. So this one we're gonna get rid of since it doesn't have the lid.
Yes.
Right?
Please, thank you.
This, also the same, doesn't have a lid, so it's gonna go. This mug is gonna stay because it has sentimental value. These two were gifted by the hubs. Actually, these three were gifted by the hubs. This one, and then this one were gifted by the hubs. So we're just gonna keep those. These mason jars, we use them, and we have them over there in the dryer. We use them to pretty much drink water, to store food. But we mainly have used these mason jars whenever I do juicing. We use these to store juice with the lid. Now we have a lot of shot glasses here. I think we can get rid of them because we don't really use these shot glasses. The only reason why we use these is to drink apple cider vinegar shots in the mornings or at night. So this is what we use these for. And now Ethan will use them to drink stuff out of it too. But I guess my husband can go through that because some of these are, I don't really care which ones we keep or not. So he can go over that. Maybe we can just keep 4 of that. Or none of them. And then these are also just for like spices or whenever I make certain things that I need small little compartments for it. That, and we have lids for all of this, but they're separate. And these, I don't think we have lids for these. So I think these are gonna go. This is recycle. We've gone through this whole decluttering for I don't know, 5 years, 3 years, a couple of years already. So every time last time we moved, or 2 times ago that we moved, the last 2 times that we moved, we decided that we were just gonna keep what we mainly use, which is we find that we use mainly our mason jars for anything, for drinking water, for every day. We always have mason jars out here to drink from. So we don't see the purpose of having actual like cups to drink from or mugs. The only reason why we have cups is for teas, and those were gifted by my husband, so I keep those. And I try not to collect them, even though I love cups and I love like all these mugs that they have out there that are very cute and detailed and everything. Especially that they put out during seasons, I love them and I always want to buy them, but I tell myself that there's no need in my home for more. So, and honestly there isn't, because it's only me and my husband, so we don't need more than just 2 mugs or cups. Yeah, we don't really have our families that even around us, so we don't really have a use for them to have even more. There's no purpose for it for now. So and when we do have people over, they'll just drink from these. No big deal. Yeah, so that is it for this area. I'm just gonna put these in a box, which I don't know. I used to put them in bins, but we have the bins already occupied, so we're gonna put them in a box, so hopefully they don't crack. We don't have anything to cover it for now, so we're just gonna have to be careful with them. Yeah, Papa. So I'm actually gonna use one of this crates, because I didn't want to put it in a box, and then if we end up getting movers, for them to just chance of getting broken. So I'm gonna use this. Yeah. As a way to protect them more. estás haciendo? ¿Qué haces? ¿Es música? Sí. ¿Qué? ¿Qué estás haciendo, papá? ¿Ya acabaste? Voy a checar si Daddy ya acabó. Bless you. Bless you. Go check on Daddy. Ándale. So much better. And then I'm just gonna put another one of those little blankets over it. And then in case we put more stuff on top of these. But probably just gonna go like this. And it's probably gonna sit on the counter just so that Ethan doesn't get to it. So I'm back from the breastfeeding break, and this is why, if you guys can't tell, but this is why I break down. And I guess this is a huge tip if you're moving, to try to do your packing in section by section or day by day, and not try to do everything all at once or wait till the last minute, especially if you have kids, because they take a lot of the time away from you. So I've been trying to break my packing into different days or every other day, depending how it goes. And right now, this evening, I think it's been an hour, and I was able to do a lot. It doesn't seem like a lot at the same time in my head when I see things, but it is a lot because I have 1, 2, 3 boxes already, and my husband is working on his clothes, so we're getting a lot done, even though Ethan is running around like crazy and taking things in and out of the boxes. But let me show you guys so far what we did. And thank you guys for sticking around till the end. So section by section, and therefore when you declutter a section, you feel accomplished and you feel good about yourself for getting rid of items and then having more space. And that will motivate you to do another section another day, rather than trying to cram up everything in one day and getting only one thing done, and then you get overwhelmed and get upset at yourself for not accomplishing everything that you wanted to. It's just better to do one thing at a time, day by day. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. I hope you guys got motivated to declutter a section in your home. And if you are new, I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. And let's get to the end of all of this. Thank you guys for watching so much. See you guys next time. Maybe next time I'll be all settled and moved in. I don't know if I'll be doing more filming after this. Probably a whole deep clean of the entire apartment before we move, because we have to leave it clean so that we can get our deposit back. Yes, I know. No va la boca, papá. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and let me just show you everything. Yumi, ¿qué quieres? So mira, let's see here. So all of this is empty. This is where all of our appliances were there, which is pretty much everything that's underneath here. I showed you guys earlier. And then this is just Ethan's drawer. This I still have to go through, which is all of Ethan's like bottles and things that he has used along the way. And these are just utensils that we use since we're still here for 3 more weeks. We're still going to be using some of this stuff, but I still need to go through some teas here and make sure that none of that is expired. I did go through this the other day, and I already threw away everything that was expired, so that's what we have left, but we're trying to use up all of that stuff still. And then this is where all of our mason jars were, and this is just Ethan's snacks that we have for him here. His one of his milks that we're just trying out this time around. And these are seeds that I didn't pack, and oatmeal and shakes, because we are still gonna use that for breakfast. No. Oh, he wants some snacks. Okay. ¿Por qué tiraste la pasa? No se tira, papá. Okay, váyase con Daddy. Ow, I hit myself. So this is what's here. Actually, all these 2 are empty already, which is stuff right there. That's the other stuff I can show you guys. And then this is the glass that I have. But those are the boxes that we have so far. This one's empty because we still have to go through everything that's in the dishwasher. But I don't think it's much. Those boxes, stuff that we're getting rid of, and we have more stuff on the counter. But it's stuff, glass, and I don't want Ethan to get break anything. This is winter clothes packed up and sealed, ready to go. And then, dun dun dun! Oops, sorry, Papa. My husband over here is trying to get his clothes together. But look, guys, we've had this whole box full of just clothes. I went through more clothes that I had in a bin that I didn't show in my previous video of decluttering my closet, but a bunch of more clothes came out over here. And this is Ethan's baby clothes that I went through in the beginning of the year and got rid of a lot of stuff, but ended up keeping these items. But I think when we move, whenever I have time, I'll try to go through this one more time and see if we really need to keep all of that, because I feel like this is a lot of clothes that we probably don't need to keep. Ethan! Papa! ¿Qué estás haciendo? Travieso. Sí. ¿Tú quieres más snacks, a que sí? Sí. Ok.